Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can host your website for free by using ProFreeHost. Just go to your browser and type ProFreeHost, hit enter. And here you can see this is the first link. So just click here in the first link. And here you will find option called register, okay? Just go for the register now. And here you have to actually give email and password to actually register, okay? So we'll give our email and password. Let's say just a random password. Don't give your email password, okay? Just a random password for this. So I will say that this is a random password for me. Now here we have option. Here you can see create new account, okay? So click here create new account. And here you can see we have to check here free domain, okay? You have to check here free domain. And here enter your attractive name for your website. So we have to basically give a domain name. So we'll say here, let's say test news site. And here you can see this is available. Now we'll actually select this one, tick mark. Click here client area. And here you can see this is our domain name. Here you can see. Okay, so we have registered it, right? Now we click here manage. Here we go. What you have to do, we have to actually click here to go to control panel. Here you can see we have the option here. Okay, we have an option control panel. So click here control panel. And here you can see now we have to actually click here I approve. So click here I approve. Okay, and here you go. Now here you can see we are in C panel. Now we have to go for the files option. And here you go. This is the files option. And now we have the option here online file manager. So we have to click here online file manager. So don't delete any of them. Now click here htdocs because we have this htdocs actually we need. And we will actually delete everything inside htdocs because we don't need these files. Delete all of them. Go back to the previous folder and here you can see this is the htdocs. So go inside this htdocs folder, okay? And if you find anything, just delete all of them inside htdocs. Now click here upload. Click here choose file and then add the file or folder what you have for your project. Just select all of them and click open. So if you have folder, just go for this folder option. If you have zip option, if you have zipped your folder and files, all the things, just go for the zip option. Here you can see. I had a single file, so I will select this files and I will select my file. And now I will click here in the upload folder. Here you can see. Upload files. And 100% done. Now here you can see this is my file. And make sure to have the file name as index.html. Okay, make sure. Because if you find in this home.html, if there is no index.html file or index.php file, your site will not work because index is the default place, okay? So you have to change or rename your file name as index. Now everything is done here. We have uploaded. Now if we go our domain and here is the domain you can see. Test news site. Okay, this is the domain. So we'll actually now hit enter. And it will now show our website. Here you can see. So now our news website is live. Here you can see. So this is how actually you can create free host using ProFreeHost. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. If this video is helpful for you, please make sure to give a like and subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching.